I'm Anna. Welcome to Inglese con Anna. La lezione di oggi sarà sui colori e alla fine della lezione ti segnerò un'attività bellina da fare insieme al tuo bambino. Avrai bisogno soltanto di un foglio bianco e dei pastelli. Buona lezione! Hello kids, I'm Anna. Welcome to Inglese con Anna. Today there's a friend I'd like you to meet. Mike, where are you? Oh, there you are, Mike. Say hello to the kids. No? Come on, say hello. Why not? Oh, guys, Mike's a little shy today. Come on, say hello, you'll be fine. Hello, kids! Good job, good monkey. This is Mike. Mike the monkey. He's my friend. He's gonna help me teach you English. Yes, Mike? All right. Today we are going to teach about colors. But where are the colors? Yes, Mike, you are right. I don't see any colors. Let's try to find something that comes in many colors. How about popsicles? Orange popsicle. Purple popsicle. Pink popsicle. Brown popsicle. Oh, Mike, stop it. Stop it, Mike. Stop it. It's not for you to eat. It's for the kids to teach English. Yes. Oh, come on, don't be sad. They're not real popsicles. No. Go sit over there. Relax. Bye, Mike. These are not real popsicle, guys. Brown. It's just to teach the colors. Green. Blue. Red. Yellow. Now, what do you say we play a little game of magic? Yes? Magic. What's missing? Yellow. Good job. Again. Magic. What's missing? Pink. Very good. Again. Magic. You can help me. What's missing? Blue. Very good. Again. Magic. What's missing? Brown. All right. Again. Magic. What's missing? Red. Very good. Again. Magic. What's missing? Purple. Good job. One more time. Magic. Magic. What's missing? Orange. Very good. Again. Magic. Magic. What's missing? Green. All right. You did a good job. All right, kids. Let's call Mike to help us say the colors one more time. Mike, you can come back. Come back here, please. Oh, hi, Mike. Can you help me say the colors one more time to the kids? Yes? All right. Brown, yum, 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 yum. Yellow, yum, 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 yum. Red, yum, 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 yum. Pink, yum, 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 yum. Blue, yum, 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 yum. Purple, yum, 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 yum. Green, yum, yum, yum. Orange, yum, yum, yum. All right, good job. Thank you, Michael. Now, you are going to need white paper, and you are going to take this corner and bring over here to the middle of the paper and crease like this. We don't need this. Now you have perfect square. Take this corner and bring it to the opposite corner and crease again. Open. Do the same thing. The other side. Crease. Alright. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this corner to the middle and crease. Bring this other corner to the middle again. Remember to crease. Fold it very well so it's gonna work. Crease again. So you folded the 4 corners to the middle. Now you are going to turn to the back and you're gonna fold the 4 corners again to the middle. Bring the corners to the middle. Alright. Now we are going to fold it in the middle. Fold it like really well. Fold it in the middle again. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the colors, some of the colors that we studied. So I'm gonna get the crayon. I'm gonna draw a red circle. Red. Now yellow circle, blue and green, like this. Now what you're gonna do is, see this? You're gonna put your finger here inside this little pockets, like this. Okay, now you can write sentences, the sentences that you want for the game. Like, for example, you're beautiful. Or you can write, jump 10 times. Or you can also say, kiss mommy, hug daddy, count from 1 to 10, sing a song. What else can we say? Dance like a monkey. What else can we say? Let me think. Sing the ABCs. So, did you like the game? Very simple, yes? Choose color, blue, yellow, red, green, and choose a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, blue 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue 5, jump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can have fun playing this game at home with mom and daddy. Tell me down below in the comments, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I love blue. What is your favorite color? Oh, I almost forgot. Let's call Mike to say bye-bye. Mike, come here, please. Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. Kids. Ciao. Siamo arrivati alla fine di questa lezione. E se ti è piaciuto questo gioco, il fortune teller, lo puoi fare insieme al tuo bimbo, così si fa un ripasso dei colori e dei numeri. E se il video ti è stato utile, lascia un mi piace, iscriviti al canale e condividilo con le persone che come te vogliono fare innamorare i loro figli dall'idioma inglese. Bye bye!